Anyways, moving along, the Kaizer Chiefs did what they do best. This is the Kaizer Chiefs that we know. They went and played AS Simba in DRC Congo. The goal ended a goalless draw. And then Sibonile, Kaizer Chiefs players got opportunities, Bamesa, nothing new. So the Kaizer Chiefs have been struggling with goals. And it seems this is an ongoing problem. They have the players that can change the situation. Marababa Spanisi, Ababadlalis.
I think for me, Chiefs, maybe, as you're saying, they are not scoring. I think maybe confident of the players. You know, we saw what happened when they went and Bamesa. You understand? But for me, it's all about confidence, and also as the players there, I think they wanna show. But sometimes, you know, wanting to prove, that's where you make more mistakes. You understand? And yes, we know Chiefs, which is a pressure team, but as a player, that's why they are not scoring for me. It's because of they putting themselves more under pressure of they need to score. You know, sometimes we've played. We are still playing now. Just enjoy the game, you know, and everything will happen. Because now they're under pressure because they are not scoring, and so the team is not scoring, but the team is keeping the clean sheet. So that means they are doing good, defender, but abakhona ukukora. So kusho ukuthi wonke ama game Chiefs kusho ukuthi manje na selikini ama 0-0 angeke sikhona phela.
Angeke score. Kaizer Chiefs eritsibanga ngethuso. Kaizer Chiefs was known for producing the best strikers. What's happening? Khona le striker se wantse khona ukora goal. We thought Khanyisa Mayo was going to influence the situation. I changed, but Lena himself is struggling. Or maybe the question is, do they have the right supply? Mfundo Vilakazi, they're not playing him. Boy, utsodlala FIFA World Cup yadi under 20. He should be playing. Mdusha Balala just comes from Bafana. He tasted what it's like to play for a team that will qualify like the actual World Cup. Mara he comes Saturday Abamutomi. Ben Yusufli, Cedric Case, Kazi, better.
No. We're going through a drought, but now we always look at the positive side that we're not conceding. We're the only team that went 5 games at Gala PSL. Got clean sheet. Yeah, so we just give credit to that. Now we always look at the positive that we don't concede. Scoring is a bonus. So I feel like we're working as Nsunda said, the confidence of the players scoring goals. Because if you go as a striker, if you go 5 or 3 games without scoring, the confidence already. I say Lona so tsaba lo hlaela o hlaile chance wa ipata. That's what about cross mola wa to hlaela wa tlibe wena like o mesang chance because of the games tse fetang sakore. And yeah, it's unfortunate because it shows that the result shows that really game tse ka sakore or jwa. But Harry keep the clean sheet, there's a chance of winning the game. And that's what we're looking at. We didn't consider a game away. A goal away, and we won't concede a goal at home, and hopefully on the day we'll get 1 or 2 come the weekend from one of the guys. I think also Dupree missed a glorious chance. Me as a coach, a game like this playing at home, now you have the opportunity to get a chance and score, because like coming back to the league, how miss a chance and then we are benching. And then games go sadly, like it's gonna get worse for him. So put him in, and that team is not stronger than us. So especially if we can create so much chances away. So at home gonna create more. So put a player who didn't score the chance, put him on Saturday, and hopefully he rectifies and gets a hat trick.
Sfiso, Motsobu got a clean sheet. But clean sheets unfortunately don't win you games. Goals win you games. Clean sheet, it's a draw, and then you're still not going to make it into the top 8 in a draw. Imagine playing 32 games with 1 point, it's 32 points. Amatima Kichima Boma 50, 60 points. You're outside the top 8. When these people are struggling to score goals.
No, I think confident wise. And Tuso said it, but we are as good now, except now many kids. Kabanga sona 24 points. Udala mathrow wena waya draw. we are already late. I'm a draw.
Yeah.
Hey, phela my penalty. But I think they are creating chances. And it's just a matter of, because at the end of the day, as a player and as players, a coach can't give you confidence. It has to come from within you. You understand? So with them making sure, as long as you get the chances and you are missing it. Because hey, but say Veli le manje, because abona ngithi uyazi with and fans are talking, hey, why that one, oh Messi, what, you know? As a player now you start saying, ish, angisafuna ukuvela. Yabo. Noma kufanele ukora so ufuna ukuyiphasa ukuthi athi ngiphase lo bangathi yimi kube ulo. You understand? It's all about building confidence. You know, maybe Saturday bazosibonisa something. Angibonanga kahle le team abadlale nayo, but judging from good bamesa ama chance yabo keeper ngathi akayenzanga isave we Chiefs ngathi ngeke ngathi bazohamba labantu laba I think ngama penalty abazi ngama penalty
hayi
marubonile badlala ama penalty ne Stellenbosch badliwa
Stellenbosch ish.
No, going back to Stellenbosch, I can't work at Kev.
No, I can't work at penalty. Should the game be decided in penalties? I'm confident for the Chiefs to win.
The last game we played, Kev, we winner at penalty.
But prior to sharp, negative penalty, and then after that game, he had penalties again. Stellenbosch.
Yeah.
Lajeo.
Yeah, go cup gaming the penalty. Go Kev the penalty. The master. It's a Kev.
Chiefs yawa master ama penalty we Kev. City Tina, there's a situation they're not scoring goals, which means they're good at scoring penalties. Nale foot it's questionable because Ulilepo last time got a penalty during the game, missed. Gaston Serino penalty during the game, missed. Should this game be decided in penalties or Kaizer Chiefs? Kwamele ukuthi yenze izinto eziright. Ngicela prediction. Sifisa nqoluqala now. Kaizer Chiefs versus AS Simba, Dobsonville Stadium this Saturday. Score prediction.
1-1.
And then decided in penalties.
Could you Chiefs out?
No, 1-1.
Oh, Chiefs out, claro.
1-1. Angithi phela thina sasa abantu bakudala careful counter 1-1.
1-1 Chiefs yards on fit.
Yazo.
Away goal.
1-1.
2-0.
Favor Chiefs.
Of course.
Kokora Mangda.
Lilepo and Modi. 2-0.
Lilepo no Modi. Bathi nizoyenza izinto eziright. Last week sicela ukushayi sayishaya ngebafana. Can we do it ngo Chiefs or senza kanje? Or zajikeleza?